30 March 30 Sunday, another Sunday for the glory of the Lord. Now I'm going to Liloan, walking until Consolacion. This is my third or four times for that place to declare the message of the Lord. Itong mga batanon, buntag na siya. Ter. Estudyante mo des kuan?
Vlog na boss, vlog.
Ha?
Vlog na.
Oh, pero magsangyaw man ni sa maing balita. Wa makay mananaw ani kay latoson man sa kuan.
Follow na ko yung Facebook.
Ah, dili kay ko tig kuan na, di kay ko tig hatag ba. Ikaw din leader daron. So, oy, Bernie. Mura na ta grandmaster oy. Puti nagbungot ba. Dog wala ka sa kodog. So busy in the morning. They are doing their course. Mga sir, may buntag. Mag-vlog-vlog na lang tayo eh. Reels. This is my place. Actually, I'm only renting a house on that subdivision. Sir! May buntag. Why open ro no? Wala lagi. Only renting place. Buntag. Ako lagi.
Brown sa bra.
Ah, magsangyaw ko. Ako na yung tamdanan ba?
Ano may balita ro?
Naidaghan na sa kasulatan. Sometimes I wonder why I look at that person. I always remember the idolatry of my previous faith. He is very similar to the God that we look upon, my previous belief, which is I declare is unworthy as of now. Whew. So this is my waiting area. I need a ride. So this is Liloan. My starting point. My trademark is this tree. Starting from here, I shout until I reach Consolacion. So God bless everyone. Today is March 30, 2025. Declaring the glory and the salvation that the Lord has prepared for us. I'm almost in Consolacion. Whew. The weather is not so friendly. I feel the heat of the sun, but as a sacrificial lamb, I need to endure the season, the times. I need to endure so that I stand worthy before the Lord. I service to the Lord is worthy enough for me to call Him Father, or my Lord and my God. So, watch and learn. Need to continue my preaching about the kingdom of heaven. Oh, this place is totally different from the place of Liloan. Because in Liloan, you can make a cover sometimes of the trees and other structure. But here, as you can see, it's fully open. Look, it's really exposed. I'm really exposed in the sun. That's why I started to feel my body started to feel the hot, the heat. I'm tired now. Yes. But still, you can see I have remedy. Nakakutag mo yung see it a little nguyong sumay. Oh no, look at that. It's already late. I need to recover my strength and my focus because I feel the heat of the sun and my tiredness. Feel them. I have a weak body. That's why what the Lord said, Spirit ang lawas. Unsa ito nga pulong sa Ginoo? Ang lawas matinguhaon apan ang lawas baluya. 2025. Another Sunday for the glory of the Lord. Now I'm in Katmon, walking from Katmon Daan to Katmon Bago. From supermarket to another supermarket, but still in Katmon. This is nice place. This is advantage in walking in the province. You can energize yourself even if you sit a little. You can recharge by the fresh air and comfort of the area. We have many trees and also very noisy, but still the air that surrounds you, you can still feel the comfort.